Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to our YouTube channel Zreative. So today we are going to learn finger painting. We'll be doing koi fishes. Koi fishes are considered to be a good luck charm in most of the houses. We are going to give you step-by-step instructions in our tutorial. And for the material links, you can check the description box below. I have a special announcement just for you at the end of this video. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end.
Use cobalt acrylic blue to divide the paper into 4 sections. Use illuminant violet acrylic color for the fishes. In Indian market, it's also known as mauve acrylic color, so you can use that. For the shadow of the fishes, I've used cobalt color plus little white. I have used acrylic colors, but you can also use poster colors if you're working on a paper. For the lotus leaves, use olive green color and chrome yellow. I'm adding a little touch of mauve and purple on top of the leaf. Fill half of the background with green color plus white. Now this green color is Viridian green color plus white. And the other half fill it with Prussian blue color and blend both the colors very nicely. Now I'm left with the fishes. I'll fill the inner corners of the outline with purple plus white. Do the same with all the fishes. Now take chrome yellow and fill in the inside of the fish. Now I'm taking light orange acrylic color and just giving a little dab of it for highlights. Use titanium white acrylic color for water reflections. Your koi fish's acrylic finger painting is ready.
Watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. We are planning a special giveaway just for you. The details of the giveaway will be shared on our Insta page. The handle for it is given below and the link for our page is given in the description box below. So go follow our Instagram page and stay tuned for the upcoming giveaway.